in. So my invoice document number is, so I'll go back. Invoice document number in. So okay. So now let's see the invoice document number in. So my invoice document number is, so I'll go back. I'll go into invoicing document type and invoicing document type for invoicing document and assign number range. Come here and mine is Z1. In the Z1 for individual processing, we mentioned use number range 07. For mass processing, use number range B1, B2. So it will take from B1. Okay, I'll tell you when it will take from B2 or B3, B4. So right now for individual 07, for mass B1. Okay, let's validate 07 and B1. So here 07 and B1. 07 means this. It will use 7 all 0 this number range, and for B1 it will use, okay, 41 series. This we have validated. So 41 series for mass, and for individual it will be 7 series. Okay, let's see our all invoicing documents. Now here if I want to see, okay, so 7 series for individual and 41 series for mass, and this 40 series, this was YI. Okay, this happened yesterday. So number range wise it is working fine. So that is all about invoicing. Okay, these are the three main features: bid generation, invoicing generation, sorry, bid generation, billing, and invoicing, and along with that FICA posting. These are the main important things. Now we'll see all the slowly we'll see the different flavors, so addition of different flavors. So maybe we'll start with something like enhancing the bit class. Okay, adding custom fields to the bit class. Okay, so we'll start with adding custom fields to the bit class. So what are the custom fields and why at all we need the custom fields? So if I open any billing document, say this one, and I go to the source item and I go inside, I can see if I add all the fields, change layouts, if I add all the fields, then we have, hang on, then we have a lot of fields already. Why do I need to add the bit class? Why do I need to add the custom fields? Custom field means, say there are some in telecom itself. So there are some fields that SAP will not,
Ravi
cannot.
Sharma is on lobby.
Okay, okay, Ravi. Who else? Okay, only Ravi. Okay, it came in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. I think all are in. Okay. Hmm. So, if we use the example of telecommunication, then in telecommunication, say in the invoice, we want to print the, uh, say somebody buys a Wi-Fi router. So we want to print the router's technical number, any IMEI number or any number. Okay, that field standard recipe cannot predetermine. Standard recipe will not send us. Okay, in our example, that toll example I'm saying. So in the toll plaza, there are different custom fields we have added. What are the fields? For example, the tariff rates are different for the number of wheels. Say a two-wheeler will pay lower tariff, four-wheeler will pay higher tariff, six-wheeler, 10-wheeler, 16-wheeler. So we added a custom field called wheels, number of wheels. Okay, we added a custom fields called plaza ID. We added a custom fields for vehicle number. Okay, these are the custom field. These if we require, we need to print in the invoice. Okay, so first we'll add those custom fields, then we will derive those. I hope I'm recording. Yeah. So we'll add those custom fields in the group in the bit class, and later we will derive the custom fields all the way to the invoice printout. Okay. So let's see how to add the custom fields. So to add the custom fields, first we need to identify what fields we want to add. Okay. So let me check what custom fields are already added, because some custom field I added earlier. Device ID, make and model, coupon, total volume, product ID. These are the custom fields I have added. I have to find a unique one that I can add here. Okay. So, make and model, coupon, total volume, product ID, provider type, plan ID, profit center, shipment generation. This one I did not do. Someone else has done. But um, can you suggest a couple of custom field, anyone that I can add here? Maybe relevant for telecommunication or something. Just. mm, I'll call it technical ID. I don't see any technical ID. This field I'll add, and I will add also. Um, what shall I add? Plan ID is already there. Make and model is also there. Okay, if it is Wi-Fi, this Wi-Fi belongs to which company and all that is also added. So I'll add technical ID and uh,
That's something like network or something.
okay, technical ID and network. I'll add those. So we will add the field. So first for that we have to create a uh, domain. Then we have to create
And
data.
how will determine this character and all those things?
Yes, yes, I'll show
As
you.
the com-
Yes, I'll show you. So first I'll create a domain. Uh, so domain and data element has to be created. Say this is for technical ID. Technical ID. We will call it ZDM underscore tech ID field name, or maybe take underscore ID. I'll make it, and data element will be ZDE underscore take underscore ID data element. Then network ZDM underscore network, and this is ZDE underscore network. Okay, once I add them, next we need to add them into the structure. Which structure? The structure I have just opened, CI Bix FKK Bixbit IT structure. Okay, so in this structure I'll add with the technical with the custom name. So I'll call it ZZ underscore technical ID, and I'll call it ZZ underscore network ID. Okay, then I will add them to the bit class Z102 and Z102. So four steps. Okay.
So, so how
Yes.
many such structures are available? CI,
For
like
for
which we can
for
utilize
billing,
and
for
out of
bit
100
there
yeah.
is one. Yeah, yeah, I'm telling. For billing, for bit there is one structure. For seat there is one more structure. That's it. Each structure one structure for bit and one structure for seat. Okay, you don't have to add to,
Okay.
like we have different tables for IT 00, 1IT, 2IT, 3IT, like that. We don't have multiple. For adding in the bit class only one table, and adding in the seat class only one table. Okay, that one. Okay, I have not shown that.
So domain and data element, we just did it from our invertible. It won't be any particular things, right?
No, everything,
That's
all four names you just mention only.
okay.
Whatever name you propose. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So custom field is also mentioned here. The steps are also mentioned here. Here. So create billable item class, select interface component, maintain custom fields. Okay. Add Z fields in SAP table, CIFKK bit underscore IT. In the seat also, you'll see when I go to the consumption item, there also you'll see the custom tables field name is mentioned over there. Okay. Only one. Okay. So I will now next, let's create the domain first. So copy and go to, okay, I'll use this /n se11, create domain, ZDM take ID, click on create. Okay, so I'll call it technical ID. Okay, do not add any bit class, because same custom field can be shared by multiple bit class. Okay, so do not restrict like Z1 or 2, not like that. So whatever I'm creating, you can, if you feel lazy, you must create also. I must advise you, but say you create one and you take the balance rest of the two from my, I mean that I created. Okay, so do not add any thing like this bit class name. Data type is character, number of characters say 50. The more character you add, the better is that, because maybe later it comes to, you come to know that okay, not technical ID can be of more than 30 characters. You put 10 character, later you come to know it can be it is coming from CCE, sometimes it is more than 10 character, then you have to again refine. So redefine. So put the higher amount, put the more amount. Okay, more in that you higher is better. Okay, then you save it. During saving, it will ask for a package. In this environment, a package is already created. This is a workbench tier. This is a above development. So when above create fields, they add it here. Okay. So it will ask for a package, and you will click on F4. You will find a package Z. Okay, just search with Z star. You will see ZCI FICA. I have created a package here. ZCI FICA. Your ABAPer will give you the package. In like we send the tier, similarly ABAPer groups their code changes. Okay, so they create different packages. So I have created one package for this custom field addition. So ZCI FICA, put it there and click on save. Okay, see, it is asking for new tier. Why? Because the tier that I was working, that was custom tier, customization request. Now it is asking for workbench request. Okay, click on new entry and you can put a custom fields in bit class. Okay, and click on the green tick. Okay, so one, and then you activate. After saving, you activate it. Object activated. Now go to the second domain. My second domain is ZDM network. Copy, replace, create, say network provider, something like that. Care, number of character 50, output length 50, case sensitive. That's it. Save again. It will take, once you create, it'll take the same package and it will add in the same tier. Propose the same tier. This is done. Okay, I will stop today. I have to take my son to school early today. So we'll continue from here tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue till 7:40. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sabadra.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Subhadra.
Bye.